Welcome back at ABC Networking. My name is Tobias van Inge. The first week of December we were visiting Hewlett Packard Enterprise Discover in London, and what we did for you there was we took some recordings of some demonstration of the new products. Hope you can all enjoy this.
Hello everyone, my name is Shiv Naira. I'm here to talk about the branch office controllers from the Aruba wireless network perspective. Today we're going to talk about how can you deploy a branch network with the Aruba wireless portfolio. So we start off with the headquarters where we can place our two controllers, and then we have these branch controllers that can go at these remote sites. Our main aim is twofold. One is to make sure that the IT admin it does not have to sit and manage and configure each one of these, so try to make the life easy for an IT admin. And the second is you want to make sure the customers or your employees have a very seamless experience, whether they are at HQ or whether they are here at the branch office. So the way this works is we would set up two controllers at your HQ. Assuming this is a large campus, you could have APs directly connected to these controllers. And then we would have these other branch office controllers, which essentially are the exact same controller. The only difference is they're designed to be zero touch. By zero touch, we mean that we could ship one of these controllers directly to the remote site. You would just have to plug them in, and assuming you can get an IP through DHCP, even over the naked internet or your private WAN or MPLS, they would then dial back to the HQ and adopt using IPsec VPN. Now the IPsec VPN is completely zero touch again. You don't have to configure anything on your HQ site as well. This is a certificate-based IPsec VPN solution, which really means that every single product that you ship, including the access points, has a certificate installed in the TPM module on the device itself. So it's completely tamper-proof. Now once these controllers are deployed and adopted on the master controller first checks to make sure that it has the right firmware, because we're shipping this from factory. It might need an upgrade or a downgrade. So the firmware is first updated. Once that is done, the entire configuration is then pushed directly to the branch office controller. So if you had your employee and guest SSID up in HQ, the same ones would show up over here. So any changes you make in one profile can reflect across your entire enterprise if that's what you want. The other key thing is the way you route this traffic can be very different. Since you're across a internet link or an MPLS link, you could choose how you want to route the traffic. So let's assume that you are across an MPLS link. You could take all your employee traffic, in this case VLAN 2, and literally drop it off on your MPLS network locally at that site. Your upstream routers like an HPE MSR router could then route it upstream as long as it has the routes using BGP. If you're across the naked internet, you certainly don't want to drop it locally at the site. You want to take it through the IPsec tunnel back to HQ, and from HQ it gets routed elsewhere. So the idea is to route your traffic depending on your needs. The same applies for guest traffic. Usually guest traffic can be directly natted out and sent directly onto the internet. Hope you enjoyed the short video. Do contact us if you need any more information.